My name is Muhammad Fikri. I will introduction chemical fertilizer as a synthetic substance that supply essential nutrients to the plants for their growth and productivity. These fertilizers are classified based on their primary nutrients they provide, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The chemical involved in chemical fertilizer include urea, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer led to significant bad effects to the environment, which include water pollution, air pollution, and soil degradation. So these are compounds involved. Firstly, organic compound, urea, chemical compound that contain two amide group of carbonic acid. Urea also known as carbamide. So the chemical properties, as you can see in the slide, and the molecular formula is CONH2 bracket 2. Next, ammonium nitrate. This is a salt made up of cation ion NH4 plus and the ion NO3 minus. So as you can see, that is the structure for ammonium nitrate. The molecular formula is NH4 and NO3. Lastly, ammonium sulfate is an inorganic salt that contains a sulfate functional group. As you can see in the picture is the what we call it, the compound, and the molecular formula is NH4 to SO4. So this is the application of chemical fertilizer. Fertilizer are required and thus applied to replenish nutrients taken away from the soil by crop harvest, and so they are applied to supplement more nutrients to boost crop yield. Failing nutrients are therefore a vital component of sustainable agriculture. Increased crop production largely depends on the type of fertilizer used for supplementing their essential plant nutrients. So there are three types of application of fertilizer. First, foliar fertilizer, controlled and slow release fertilizer, and nitrogen based fertilizer. So I will explain about the definition of three of it. Firstly, foliar fertilizer. Foliar fertilizer are specialized plant nutrient product designed for application directly into the leaf of plant. Application method for foliar fertilizer are typically applied as liquid solution sprayed onto the leaf, ensuring the essential nutrients are readily available to the plant. So next, control and slow release fertilizer. Slow and controlled release fertilizer are fertilizer containing a plant nutrient in a form which either delays its availability for plant uptake and use after application, or which is available to the plant significantly longer than a reference rapidly available nutrient fertilizer, such as ammonium nitrate or urea, ammonium phosphate or potassium chloride. The microbially decomposed end products such as UF, urea formaldehyde are commonly referred to in the trade as slow release fertilizer, and coated or encapsulated products as controlled release fertilizer. So lastly, nitrogen based fertilizer. Nitrification inhibitors suppress the conversion of ammonia to nitrate that is more prone to leaching. For instance, 1-carbonyl 3-methyl-pyrazole CMP, nitropyrin 2-chloro-6-3-chloromethylpyridine, and 3,4-dimethylpyrazole phosphate DMPP. Urease inhibitors slows the hydrolysis conversion of urea into ammonia, which is prone to evaporation as well as nitrification, such as urea ammonium nitrate UAN. Urea is often used as a component of fertilizer because of its high nitrogen content.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilham Iskandar. I'm going to explain about the problem statement. The overuse of the chemical fertilizer has led to the bad effect to the environment, safety, and human health, such as the soil degradation, pollute water bodies, and decrease soil natural fertility. Thus, to overcome this issue, Regarding the use of the chemical fertilizer, the biofertilizer offer a great alternative to the chemical fertilizer. Biofertilizer is sustainable and eco-friendly as it is composed of the living microorganisms that supply nutrients and support the plant growth.
Biofertilizer is a substance that contains living microorganisms that, when applied to seed, plant surface, or soil, colonize the rhizosphere or the interior of the plant and promote growth by increasing the supply or availability of primary nutrients to the host plants. Biofertilizer also ensure higher yields by fighting harmful pathogens and providing vital nutrients that plants need. The nitrogen-based chemical fertilizer, it contains urea, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. For phosphorus-based chemical fertilizer, it contains single superphosphate and triple superphosphate. So for nitrogen fixation biofertilizer, it contains rhizobium or azotobacter. For phosphorus solubilizing biofertilizer, it contains phosphobacteria or mycorrhizae. There are three aspects, which is environmental impact, safety, and health. For environmental impact, chemical fertilizer is effective for rapid nutrient supply, but it will deplete soil health over time by reducing organic matter, altering pH levels, and destroying beneficial microbial activities, which led to long-term soil degradation. Biofertilizer naturally enhance soil fertility by atmospheric nitrogen, solubilizing phosphorus, and mobilizing potassium, ensuring a continuous supply of nutrients without depleting soil resources. Moreover, production of biofertilizers generally results in lower carbon emission. From the safety aspects, chemical fertilizer may contain chemicals that are explosive and reactive, such as ammonium nitrate, and require special and proper handling to avoid any accidents. Biofertilizer has no risk of chemical residues or toxic leaching, eco-friendly, non-toxic, and promote soil health. Biofertilizers are much safer as they are, though they require a careful storage to maintain their efficacy with only rare risk of mild allergic reactions during handling. From health aspect, chemical fertilizer contain harmful substances such as heavy metals and nitrates, which can cause contaminated water, which will affect human health. Biofertilizer can enhance nutrient availability without having toxic effects to human health or the soil, thus improve soil health and structure, promoting a healthier ecosystem.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Heri Akzan bin Sazali. So this slide highlights how green technology, specifically biofertilizer, can enhance soil fertility, contributing to sustainable agriculture. So the first one is enhance soil fertility. Biofertilizer rich in key nutrients. Three nutrients NPK, there is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that is essential for plant health. So the first one is nitrogen. So nitrogen is critical for plant growth. It helps in forming proteins and is converted into usable form by bacteria, forming symbiotic relationship with plants. So the P1 is phosphorus. Phosphorus plays a vital role in photosynthesis, flowering, and nutrient transport. And phosphorus solubilizing, for example, phosphorus solubilizing biofertilizer (PSB) make this nutrient that is phosphorus more accessible to plants. And the last nutrient is K, kalium. Potassium supports specific physiological functions like photosynthesis and regulates stomata, which controls water loss and gas exchange.
Next, the impact of biofertilizer on safety. The chemical fertilizer can irritate human skin and eyes, but the biofertilizer do not irritate human skin and eyes. The composition of a biofertilizer is made from natural microorganisms and organic material. Thus, it is non-toxic and free of harmful chemicals. Furthermore, there are no risks of explosion compared to chemical fertilizer. It only requires cool and dry conditions to maintain microbial activities. In terms of environmental impact, the biofertilizer is biodegradable and does not pollute soil, water, and air. And last, the biofertilizer is a great alternative to overcome the drawback of chemical fertilizer. It promotes long-term soil health and supports sustainable agricultural practice.
So the last part of our discussion is the green tech on health. It is divided into three key points. There is reduce health risk, soil, crop and health, and food security. So the first point is reduce health risk. Green tech green technology lowers exposure to harmful chemicals. It also minimizes pollution-related disease like cancer, and it can also eliminate risks such as baby blue syndrome caused by nitrate contaminated water. So the next point is soil crop and health. Uh, Green biofertilizer can improve soil fertility and microbial biodiversity. It can ensuring healthier crop growth and reduce plant disease naturally without synthetic chemicals. And our last point is the food security. Green technology supports food security by it can increase the productivity and offer better nutrition at the plants. So we humans can eat it without any worries. Uh, Green technology also provides sustainable solutions that align with global public health initiatives.
So, in conclusion, the exploration of biofertilizer as a viable alternative to chemical fertilizer underscore their significant potential to enhance sustainable agriculture practice while effectively mitigating the adverse environmental impacts associated with conventional farming methods. The reliance on chemical fertilizer has led to the disruption of natural nutrient cycle, resulting in the accumulation of harmful substances in the soil and waterways. The transition towards biofertilizer can promoting sustainable agriculture, safeguarding environmental health, and ensuring the well-being of communities. As the demand for food continues to rise in the face of climate change and environmental degradation, embracing biofertilizer can pave the way for a more resilient and sustainable agricultural landscape, ultimately benefiting both current and future generations. Thank you.